Sabrina. 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 Come. Girl. 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 Come. Come. Oh yeah. Come. Not on that way. Eat. Foodie. Foodie for you. Oh, you want to go to bed? Your brand new bed? Oh yeah, food. You had that on your thing. That's the camera. Say hi to the camera. Oh, she just barked. You see how cute is that? She barked. So how cute is that? She's so cute, guys. You don't even want to see what I'm making here. It's a video vlog. Sabrina, what are you looking for? Are you looking for my bike? Oh, I just heard a noise. Is that a killer clown? Right, that big thing right there. That big thing right there. That thing. Do you see that red thing, guys? Do you see that red thing? Is that a killer clown? Those red things over there. I think that's a killer clown. Oh my god. It's a killer clown. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not gonna open the door. Just gonna go to my room. Just going to go to my room. I'm not even gonna open the door. I just went to my room. I was not even gonna go to the door. I just went into my room. My god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just went into my room and I didn't even see nothing. Oh my god. This is crazy. My room is all messed up and look at all the shoes I have. I like these sparkly ones. Wait. Look at these. Look at those sparkly ones. Those are one of my shoes, the sparkly ones. These are others. This is another one. And this is, I just bought it because I wanted to wear them for the house. And this is a mirror. A mirror. So sometimes I dye my hair. I'm gonna dye hair stuff. So these are all my perfumes I have, and these are the things that I have. Actually, I don't know if I want to change this bed. I don't know if I want to change this bed. I just want like a bigger size for those can't like be like right there, because I just want a bigger size. And this is my TV right there. So I'm gonna change and the killer clown's still there. So I hope you like this video. Enjoy it. Thanks. Goodbye. And make sure to click that subscribe button and that like button. Okay, guys? And we'll see you in the next video.